Did you know that adopting a plant-based lifestyle can significantly improve your mood and overall sense of well-being? Research shows that people who embrace vegan habits often feel more energized, more connected, and yes, even happier. In this video, we're exploring the daily vegan habits that can help you lead a healthier and more joyful life. Welcome to Hello Vegan Eats, where we talk about living your best life through healthier, mindful choices. Today, we're diving into the power of vegan habits. These aren't just about the food you eat, they're about the lifestyle you embrace and the small daily actions that create big transformations. A vegan lifestyle can boost your physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. It's not just about what's on your plate, it's about building a routine that helps you feel good inside and out. Whether you're fully vegan or just curious, you're in the right place to discover how these habits can truly make a difference. Let's start by addressing some of the common misconceptions about veganism. Many people think it's too restrictive or difficult to follow, or that it's all about giving things up rather than adding value to your life. There's also the challenge of knowing where to start, especially if you're used to traditional eating patterns. Social situations can feel awkward, and finding new recipes can seem overwhelming. On top of that, many people struggle to maintain a balanced diet and end up relying on processed vegan foods that leave them feeling tired and unfulfilled. These challenges can make the journey seem daunting, but the truth is, with a few simple daily habits, veganism can become an effortless and joyful part of your life. Let's explore how adopting vegan habits can create a ripple effect of positivity in your life. Starting your day with a wholesome, plant-based meal can set a positive tone, providing your body with the nutrients and energy it needs to thrive. Meals centered around whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and grains nourish your body and stabilize your mood. Taking a moment to prepare and enjoy these meals mindfully can transform eating from a chore into an act of self-care. Incorporating movement into your routine, whether it's yoga, walking, or just stretching, amplifies the benefits of a vegan lifestyle. Spending time in nature, visiting local farmers markets, or even growing some of your own food connects you with the world around you and fosters a sense of gratitude. Planning your meals can eliminate the stress of last-minute decisions. It's not about rigid schedules but about having options on hand that make it easy to enjoy balanced and satisfying meals. Meal preparation becomes a creative outlet when you experiment with colorful, nutrient-rich ingredients that energize both your body and mind. Connecting with others who share your values is another powerful habit. Veganism often inspires a sense of community, whether through online groups, local meetups, or sharing recipes with friends. This connection not only provides support but also reinforces your commitment to your goals. Acts of compassion, such as choosing ethical products or preparing plant-based meals for loved ones, can enhance your sense of purpose. These habits remind you that your choices have a positive impact on animals, the environment, and your own well-being. I'd like to share a story that illustrates the transformative power of vegan habits. A friend of mine, Alex, had been struggling with low energy and feelings of disconnection. They decided to start small by incorporating more plant-based meals into their routine. Over time, Alex began to notice a difference, not just physically, but emotionally. They felt more vibrant, more grounded, and more in control of their health. Simple changes, like starting the day with a smoothie or taking a few moments to enjoy a plant-based dinner with family, became the foundation for a happier, more fulfilling life. Alex's journey is a reminder that transformation doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent daily habits, it is absolutely possible. Living a happier and healthier life through vegan habits is about small, intentional changes that align with your values and well-being. Whether it's preparing nourishing meals, spending time outdoors, connecting with like-minded people, or practicing gratitude for the food on your plate, each habit contributes to a better you. The beauty of a vegan lifestyle is that it's not about perfection, it's about progress, compassion, and joy. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you can create a ripple effect of positivity that benefits not just yourself but also those around you. I'd love to hear about your experiences. What vegan habits have brought more happiness into your life? Or what new habits are you excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're looking for inspiration, check out my other videos on easy plant-based recipes and tips for mindful living. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for updates on more ways to live a healthier, happier life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.